Good morning, hello, and welcome to the Galt 150th anniversary.
Today, Galt is celebrating their 150th Sesquicentennial celebration. We thought it would be a great idea to have our kids from our McCaffrey K-Dog News come out and cover a live event because we've never had the opportunity to do something like that before. So we're hoping to learn how to interview people, how to get B-roll footage, how to then later on edit it all together for a great news package item that we can share with not only our school but also with our SEVA community.
Sesquicentennial.
Okay. Today the students are getting some hands-on experience of what it's like to approach someone in a real event and not a stage setting like we would have at school.
I think today it's going to put them out of their comfort zone a little bit. It's not their friends they're talking to, so hopefully they're going to take it a little bit more seriously, be a little bit more professional when they're asking questions.
Is there anything else you would like to add to that?
Well, I am just so impressed.
The two young men that I particularly interacted with, they were amazing. They knew how to look you in the eye, they knew how to shake your hand, they were extremely polite. It's really refreshing to see a couple of young men be able to do that.
Hopefully with the SEC's guidance, we can learn some of those skills today that we can then bring back to our classroom and then teach students later on.
I think the benefit was that we were able to improve on our skills with the help of SECC, helping us getting interviews, thinking of better questions to ask.
I think the benefit of having our youth, our students here today is really what is so powerful about Galt. Galt is very family-oriented, and our youth are our future, and the future is now. And seeing them here, seeing their confidence, seeing them taking some risks will serve them in their careers and maybe in this community in the years to come.
Students in general are the leaders of tomorrow, and I think that relationship for them to be comfortable to talk with people of all ages, from different walks of life, from different cultures, and to be able to capture that on film, I think is really, really important because that's the way people gather a lot of their information these days.
They are helping to tell the story of this community, and I'm going to be so excited to see what they come up with in their filming and their interviews. Very exciting.
We're reporting from the 150th Festival for K-Dog News.